Okay guys, I'm here to tell you to stop looking in the 3D warehouse for your throw blankets. You are not going to find anything in there that's useful, and it's not going to look custom to the piece of furniture you are trying to place a blanket on top of. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own. You're going to start by drawing a square, and then once you have your square drawn, you can group it. Don't worry about the size right now, because after it's grouped, you can use the rescale tool and scale it to whatever size you think you want to create the effect you're looking for. Since I'm just doing this over top of a chair, I am not going to do a large blanket. I just want to add a little bit of texture and depth and dynamic so that the rendering does look really lived in once I'm done. Okay, so once you've gotten your group to the configuration and scale that you're looking for, that's when we're gonna jump into the ClothWorks app. So you are going to click on whatever surface you want the blanket to be draped over top of. In my case, it is the chair. So right click, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom where it says ClothWorks and click Make Collider. Once that's complete, you're going to click on the cloth, right click, and say Make Cloth. All right, so once that's complete, go to your extensions toolbar, click on ClothWorks, click Toggle UI, and then under preset, you can click cotton or whatever material you want your cloth to be. Under simulation, make sure that the updated textures toolbar is clicked. That's going to be really important for when we apply a fabric or material or pattern later. So once that's done, you're going to want to right click underneath one cloth. You're going to want to click Apply Quadrilateral Grid. It's going to say 4,000. You can change it, but I'm going to keep it. And what this is going to do is going to add a lot of axes and interfaces so that your cloth can bend organically. Otherwise, it'll just be like a flat board, and that's not what you want. So once that's done, you can paint it. It's important to paint it before you click play, because otherwise the material will go all janky and you don't want that. So once you click play, you can see that it's doing its thing. Super satisfying. The nice thing is that you can use your mouse and just kind of click on the pieces that you want to adjust and kind of flick them around until you get the shape and the desired look that you're looking for. Once it's done, you can click pause, you can click escape or the paint bucket tool, and there you have it, folks. You have a beautiful throw blanket. Now let's say you're not 100% satisfied with this. You can just click play again, and then again, just, mess with it until you get the look you're looking for. If you want it to be more wrinkly or more, ironed out, play with it until you got it. And that is all she wrote. Now you have a beautiful custom throw blanket that actually looks good on the surface.